won't forget. Come on, make me sweat. Jalapeno, jalapeno. I like it hot, but we ain't there yet. Come on, let me get jalapeno, jalapeno. Taste, let me take a bite. I can feel the spice. Jalapeno, jalapeno. Tip of my tongue. Yeah, it's what I like. I wanna spend all night. Jalapeno, jalapeno. Jalapeno, jalapeno. Taste, let me take a bite. I can feel the spice. Jalapeno, jalapeno. Tip of my tongue. Yeah, it's what I like. I wanna spend all night. Jalapeno, jalapeno. Jalapeno, jalapeno.
Good. Not bad. So
hello guys, I'm going to introduce you to the Buck Tomcat. This right here is a 70-pound bow, which my father has been using for a really long time, about 4 to 5 years. Yeah, and it's not easy to pull. This thing right here, these things can clip on to this, like that, and then when you pull on it, you can then let it go easily, like that. One thing to know is that you should never dry fire a bow, because it makes the limbs of the bow really weak. So if I let it go right now, anything could happen to the bow. The string could get damaged, the gears on the sides of the compound bow could get damaged, anything could get damaged. So it's better to not dry fire a bow. One more thing is that these things right here are used as sights to look through. So when I look through the peephole, I'm actually aligning it with these things, these 3 markers. You can adjust these by using Allen keys. They're right on this side. There's an Allen key right there. You can adjust it so that if you want it to go left or right, wherever you want it to go, it can go that way. Now the minimum limit for hunting is 40 pounds, so this is suitable for hunting. This is really good for hunting. And these are the arrows. There's carbon arrows and there's aluminum arrows. Both of them could be useful in hunting, and you can also, these ones, you can also replace the arrowheads from the top. You can take them off. And we have different types of broadheads here. Like these hunting broadheads. These are really lethal. can put them on. A few of the accessories the bow comes with. This is also one of them. This is made so that you can put your arrows inside like that. It's really useful for hunting, and it can clip on to the bow right there by using this clamp. You can take them out easily like that. This is a 60-pound crossbow. It looks really appealing, and it might look like it doesn't do a lot of stuff, but it's 60 pounds. And this right here, this bow is 70 pounds. So you know the difference. There's only a 10-pound difference. This can be used for hunting, but it's good for small game, not big game. And it can be taken apart easily. This part right here, we had to put it together. This came separately in the box, and everything here was dismantled and then put back together. And these arrows, there's 3 arrows that come in the box. There's these arrows, which are just for target shooting or like practice. And we bought some more, which is made for this crossbow. This is a pistol crossbow, that's what it's called. And we also bought these ones. These are lethal bolts used in this crossbow. They're really dangerous. Now it might look like this can't fit in here, this thing, but it can. It's right there. It can fit easily.
That one is the target. That one for white people.
So you want to keep your fingers below this. So try and hold here.
Be a little tough on that rest. So that arrow, it moves around a little bit. So you get back. Take some getting used to. There you go. Shift the knuckle a little bit lower and further back if you can. Yeah, great. Lean in, look through the feet.